Hello viewers, today in this video I will show you how to change your name on Facebook. Okay, let's get started. First, open your Play Store and check Facebook update. My Facebook app already updated. Open Facebook app. Now click your profile icon. Click here three dot line. Click now settings and privacy. Click now setting option. Click here account center. Click here your profile. Select your account. Now click your name option. Now type your new name. Now click here review change. Hope your problem solved successfully. Please subscribe my channel.